One of, if not my favorite vegetable, is the zucchini. I can eat, talk, and even sing about it all day long. Whoa! First things first. All right, so let's start with the whipped ricotta. Grab 250 grams of fresh ricotta. I'm draining mine just a little bit. Either you can do a strainer or a cheesecloth. Just press down with a wooden spoon if you want, just to release some extra liquid. Once done, you're gonna add to a bowl, season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, the zest of half a lemon. You can go full lemon if you really want that lemon taste, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and some freshly grated nutmeg to taste. Then grab some basil and mint, as much as you'd like. I have about 4 large basil leaves and 5 small mint leaves. Now, if you aren't sure about the mint, you can leave it out, but trust me, it goes perfect with the zucchini and it really elevates this ricotta mixture. So try the mint. I'm just slicing up the basil and mint into a chiffonade, layering the leaves from largest to smallest, then roll up like a cigar and slice into strips. And add that to the bowl. Now you can leave this as is and just fold in the ingredients into the ricotta, but trust me when I say that the whipped ricotta changes everything in this sandwich. So let's whip it up and whip it up good. I say whip it. Add the ricotta to a food processor and pulse until you get a silky smooth consistency. It's light, creamy, and delicious. So if I'm gonna tell you one thing during this recipe, it's whip your ricotta. Taste and adjust any seasonings and place in a bowl and set aside. Now I have 2 small to medium zucchinis, cut the ends off and slice into about 1/4 inch thick strips. Now I'm seeing whether or not I need to cut the zucchini in half, so I'm just sizing it up with the bun that I chose. Now that first slice isn't always going to be the best, it's going to have a lot of skin on it, so if anything that could be your tester when frying and a little treat for you. You can also use a mandolin as well when slicing the zucchini. And you can also pre-salt the zucchini on both sides and let sit for about 30 to 60 minutes to release some extra moisture. Let's set up our dredging and breading station. In one plate goes all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Then in a shallow bowl, crack and whisk up 1 egg. You may need to add another egg if you decide to double bread. Then add some Reggie, Parmigiano Reggiano, and mix it up. In the last plate, you can do a combination of regular breadcrumbs and panko or just one, up to you. If your breadcrumbs are unseasoned, just season with salt, pepper, and go ahead and add some more Reggie as well and mix it up. With a paper towel, blot the zucchini, and you'll see that I was able to get a lot of water from the slices. Now we're gonna add the zucchini slice into the flour to coat, and then into the egg mixture and coat, and then into the breadcrumbs and coat, and lightly press the breadcrumbs into the zucchini with your hand. I'm not double breading this because I really want the zucchini to shine through. It's a nice, delicate, mild flavor, and I don't want a heavy double coating of breadcrumbs, but if you want that, go ahead and double bread. Place the slices in the fridge to firm up a bit before frying. In a pan on medium to high heat, add enough oil. I'm using extra virgin. Yes, you can fry with extra virgin, but you can use canola, vegetable oil, whatever. Add enough to cover half of the zucchini when placed in. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna add the zucchini strips away from you and fry until golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. And once done, remove to a plate lined with paper towel just to soak up any excess oil and season with some flaky salt, and then finish up with the remaining slices. Also, did you just see that? Let's replay that back in slow motion. This is why you add food away from you when frying, because if I didn't, I'd have hot oil splattered all over me. Grab your bread of choice, toasted or untoasted, also your choice. Layer on some fried zook strips. Now a drizzle of balsamic glaze, perfect. The whipped ricotta, and if you know me, some good old BOMBA sauce. And bring that to the table. Well, that was one hell of a first bite. I can make this sandwich all day, every day, and it also might be my new favorite. Mainly because it has zucchini in it, and I love zucchini. Also, that balsamic glaze gives that nice acid kick that we need. The whipped ricotta is so flavorful and smooth, and it really balances with the crunch of the zucchini. It really is flavorful. The mint, the basil, the lemon zest, even that nutmeg, and of course the BOMBA. Can't go wrong with BOMBA on a nice crusty bread. Love this sandwich. I can eat it all day, talk about it all day, and even sing about it all day. I won't be singing. So I hope you give this recipe a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.